Merry Christmas 2023.
Little Bill. Little Bill. Little Bill.
Little Bill! Little Bill! Hello, friend.
There is snow outside.
Yeah, and it's winter. I don't know if there will be a blizzard.
Let's watch TV to see what's on TV. I am a little bored, and let's see if it's going to tell us on TV when will the snow go away.
Welcome to BNN News. I am your host, RN the Animator. Wild City is going to get a massive blizzard. The massive blizzard will stop at 12 a.m. And please, stay safe, stay warm. This massive blizzard is so dangerous. Thank you for watching BNN News.
So we need to stay inside because it is dangerous outside.
I am going to go to the grocery store to get some food before the blizzard comes.
Okay, fine. I will come with you. Let's go.
Little Bill, Bobby, and April, stay with Grandma.
Let's watch some more. Come on, why did the power went out? Wait a minute, it must be the snow.
Little Bill, calm down. If you keep on complaining, then I will call Mom and Dad, so they will ground you.
Fine, I will just go to my room. Man, this is so boring when the power is out. Well, I still have my computer. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I think I should take a nap.
We're bored, so we are going to use our speaker to play some music.
Hey Bobby, April, and Grandma, the blizzard is over. Go outside and play in the snow.
Oh yes. Oh no, Little Bill lied. The blizzard is still here.
Bobby, April, and Alice, what the heck are you doing outside in the snow?
Little Bill told us to go outside.
There we go, Bobby, April, and Alice are outside. Now I can have my nap without any disturbances.
Later that night.
Hey, the storm is over. Let's go downstairs.
Little Bill, how dare you let your siblings and your grandma to go outside during a blizzard? That's it. You are grounded for 8,009,725 years.